this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from China. It's from a company called Haogemen. This is it's Chongqing, I don't know, but it's that style-o. And it looks pretty good. We found this one up at FoodyWorld up in beautiful Richmond, British Columbia. So yeah, let's see what's inside. So we got here's the noodles. Looks to be a straight noodle variety. And I need scissors. Alright. And go the scissors. These go for 3 minutes. Just checking to make sure there aren't any friends in there. Sometimes they'll put silica gel in with. Oh, wait a second. Nope, no silica. I don't think. I hope not. It doesn't really hurt you if you eat silica gel, I read, but it's just like you don't. I like to eat things that you're supposed to eat, not things that are not supposed to be. Oh, dude, really? What is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. It looks like there's a couple little bean-looking things in with it. Okay. Whatevs. And then you've got a dry seasoning, a soy sauce, and a chili seasoning. Oh, and pickled mustard stem. Nice accompaniments. Okay. Here's those. We got 3 minutes going. So, what's going on? Amazing. So there's instant noodles that are only sold in prisons, and I've tried to get them. I, in fact, called a place last week that is a distributor of these, like the sole distributor, and they told me, the only way you can get those is if you're in prison, sir. I'm like, I don't want to go to prison. They're like, that's fine, I totally understand, but that's the only way you're going to get these. It's like, yeah? You really that worried? Okay. But, despite all that, I've made a couple contacts. And today, some Texas beef flavor showed up. And it looks like very, very soon, I'll have the entire lineup of Marchand varieties for the corrections institutional prison crowd. So then I think, with the Texas beef, it shouldn't be that hard. It's like a spicy picante beef. In fact, Marchand swears that Texas beef is picante beef, so there shouldn't be a difference. The guy who sent it to me actually is going to test them out and see if that's the case. But I want to find the best recipes that people in prison were using for all these varieties. There's a bunch of them. There's even, I don't know, there's a couple that have different names for them, but the rest look to be pretty similar. Like there's 35% less sodium beef, there's this beef, there's that beef. And really, the only difference, I'm pretty sure, is that they come in clear packs. And the reason for that is so you can't smuggle in contraband, which is logical. That's a definite logical concern of the prison people. Or of the, the prison people. You don't want to be in there and somebody smuggles in some kind of weapon and then you get stabbed. But I'm sure happens. I don't know. I've never been to prison, but you know. This country has a lot of people in prison, so I don't have any problem with people who have. Generally. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave that alone. So there's 260 mils of water going back in. Let's have a look-see. Here is the dry sachet. But yeah, I'll say one thing. It's kind of crazy. We have more people in prison in the United States than in any other country. Like, percentage-wise, right? And it's like, the question is, why? Is it our laws? Is it us? Who knows? I'm gonna guess it's a little of both, honestly. Messy. Oh. God, none of those got on my new jeans. I would flip out. Mainly because if I wash these jeans, I don't know if I'll be able to wear them anymore. Yeah, finally got shoes. I'm wearing them. There's a chili spiciness sachet. Come on, get out of there. That's always a tricky part. And this isn't one that kneading really will help with. Just basically go, go, go. Alright, wow, look at that. Can you see that? Yeah, kind of mostly. Ooh, that smells strongly. Strong smells emanating from this. And then we've got our friend, the pickled mustard stem. Which is actually a really, really good garnish. I love this stuff. Alright, let's give this a try. It smells like violent. Wow. That's a little extreme, China. Wow. Okay. It's spicy. The noodles are nice. I like the noodles. The nice noodles. Come on, let's get you right to the right spot. Come on, you stupid thing. Do correctly. Well, we'll try that. I don't like how it's angled like that, but what can you do? Okay. We got here. I looked at the package and it kind of looked like there was some this and some of that and some of that. And it didn't show any meat, but I'm gonna throw on some this. Some of this, some of that, some of that. Yeah, maybe a little more of this. And this and this and that. And I think we'll give that a little bit of a happening done up dealy deal. Yeah. No, I want this to like look nice. God, what is it with you, camera? Alright. Rotato. Hey, something from China. Looks pretty crazy, doesn't it? Flavors and stuff like this are very, very extreme, so yeah. Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. And catch me on the show tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.